All right, so this topic is going to be creating sketches. So within the sketching kind of family of stuff we need to do for the Fusion 360 user certification. So I'm going to switch over to Fusion, and we're not really going to be creating a sketch of anything in particular. This is just going to be kind of a generic kind of thing. So the first step always is going to be that new component. We're going to name this guy sketch creation. Hit OK. Now, the first part is how do we get to a create sketch command? So there's about, 3 different ways to accomplish that. The first is what you probably normally do. On your toolbar, you're going to find the create sketch. You can click there. That's an option. Also, from the pull-down menu, you can say, I think here last is basically the second option down, is create sketch. It's going to perform the same function. And then the last bit is if you go into our origin and make that visible, you can go ahead and see these different planes that we could work with. So the XY in this case is going to be basically that front view. If I click on XZ, that's going to be that top view. So for any of these, I can right click, and then I can also create sketch from there as well. So 3 different ways that you could get to the create sketch command. Okay, so we can go ahead and turn off that origin, which will go ahead and turn off those planes. So then what I can do is I'm going to go through and I'm just going to go here, do create sketch. Now for the exam, so if I look at all my different create tools from a sketch perspective, lines, we've done lines, we've done rectangles, we've done circles, we've done arcs, we've done polygons, we've done ellipses in some cases, not as often. You also have a slot and spline. Now, probably the one you can kind of just probably X off your list is this conic curve. That's most likely not going to be on the exam. Okay, so at this point, I want you to practice. And the deliverable, and what we're going to capture, copy into your worksheet / documentation, is I want you to create a sketch using each of the different tools. So in that case, there's a line. I can go down. I want to create each of the different types of rectangles. So there's one rectangle. Over, down. There's 3. Down. There's 4. So I have one type of line. I have 3 types of rectangles. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 types of circles, 3 types of arcs, 3 different polygons, an ellipse, a slot, actually ignore slot, and then I want you to do spline. So I should have examples of each of these, and what I want you to do is just zoom out and then take a screen capture, paste that into your document, and that will be evidence that you completed this particular prep work.